In front of me is TCL 20 Pro, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on this device. So first of all, you need to open the camera app, and here you will notice the timer icon. Smoothly click on it and then pick 2, 5 or 8 seconds delay. Now if you'll grab a photo, you will be able to see the countdown, and after that the picture will be grabbed. So let us wait a few more seconds. And that's it. As you can see, it has been taken. When you want to turn it off, just mark the timer again and tap on off. And now you can grab it right after you click. So this is it. That will be all. So you can activate and use and also turn off camera timer in your TCL. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.